Hey, I'm Shane Weston. I'm currently riding the 2010 Bama Seth Kimbrough signature frame.
Tried to lighten it up a little bit, make it look a little cleaner. Smaller tubing, smaller thinner dropouts. Pretty much just cut everything off that wasn't necessary, which there was a good bit of stuff.
Got the matching Bama fork with the Hoffman generator front wheel and the Eastern tire. FSA internal headset with the Hoffman top load stem with the matching Bama bars and Hoffman mushroom grips. For the free coaster, it's an Alienation Rush version 2 laced to a Hoffman generator 36 hole. Got the 175mm Snafu Mayweather cranks to some Hoffman Soulmate pedals, a 25 tooth Hoffman Dinky sprocket, and a Shadow version 2 chain.
With this air velvet, don't eat it, just smoke it. Your options are open, you even get snouted. $3 sex, so you